No one video.
Talk on it. That's yeah, man, I roast.
Yeah, man, me I roast 2 breadfruit here now, you know. Friday, me in my backyard. Friday, me one thing, they fry 2 fish and roast breadfruit. So, you just a big up the breadfruit, the 2 turn breadfruit, you know. You can see it already on the stove. I go on with the wood them. Wood and coal. Yard style thing, you know. We are big up the yard style thing. We not stop. We not cut out the culture, you know. Can never do it. And jerk pork same time too we are going to do too. You know? So jerk pork in it, biggie up. Nobody thing say we stop. We are try a thing, you see me? Right. Yeah, man. Love. Peace when you eat this. Digest it right way. Jano. Anyone see it, you can do it back. Yeah. Cut it out now. See them, me just done barbecue some chicken that for me dinner, you know? So me just do up my 2 breadfruit them. Yes, and just put them in the fridge and me have a Friday, you see me?